What's up, guys? It's your girl Molly, and we back with another video. Check it out. Victoria and her hubby doing this sweet thing. Yeah. Is that good, Victoria?
I think so. Aussie's helping me because he could see I couldn't do it by myself. So he offered, get you a man who does your hair.
Are you enjoying that, Siaosi?
Yes. Very enjoying.
I've got the worst dandruff. Comment down any remedies.
She didn't work finger runga for you.
Sa waro ya kuya Siaosi ah.
Se sia o ko e mga e whainga ngau. Ka me pilo ko ngai whai kou.
E whira le kau ah Siaosi. Ai se kau a ka ah.
E fast food leu le kas.
O kau kai.
Ya kom ka me fa ngai a we whai ia.
O a me ngai wha oe. O me ngai wha ngā Siaosi.
Ma, o fu ma Māori ma whai.
O kau kai.
Kom ka mo me fou ia mo brand new me e whai me.
O la la lingo le product ngai whaanganga.
O le ringo.
O lea ele ka
O le salsa. Koe kua e lo. O le fo mai fo ie. Nyanga kene fo mai pia wharong kanga kare e pera ngau.
Oh, ma maura a fellow degree a doctor. O doctor ki a. Soli.
Degree a una ngā maua e rei maua si mea.
Ngā maui whia. Ngā maui e langi.
Ngā maui o mā ke ki sa mo. Ngā maui lalo I uru ma whai.
E mo I a Siaosi.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Molly.
No, it doesn't go like that.
What's up guys?
It's your girl Molly. We back with another video. You know it.
Very snap.
Comment down below.
I'm gonna go shower.
Comment down below. I told Siaosi that she should do a prank on it. He should do a prank on her. If you want to see a prank, if you want to see Siaosi do a prank, I want you to like that button on this video. Siaosi and I will help him do a prank on Victoria. Don't tell her though. Oh, she's gotta already know because she's gotta do this vlog. Dang it, that's a bit fail. Well, she won't know what's coming. So, like and subscribe.
Aussie, do it.
It's your girl Molly.
Malo Molly tinka muka. Mika maka. This is what you do when you're trying to wean someone off the dummy.
Lemon.
That's lemon juice?
Okay.
What's that? Here.
Dip it, dip it, dip it. Yeah, dip it. You don't need this thing anymore.
He'll still suck it tonight before he goes to sleep. What up, guys? Hey!
Hi everyone. I'm smashing my eyes in the car.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, Papa.
The car smashed me.
Anyways, this girl was staring at us so weird in the car park, and I was like honestly, a good 2 minutes, and I was like, finally got out of my car. She was getting out of her car. She was like checking around her car. She thought that we had scratched it, and I'm like, girl, we did not touch your car. And because Siaosi went to push a trolley away just in case it scratched his little bomb, and she thought we scratched her car, so she's like looking at me so strange, like talking to her friend, like I'm assuming about us. And so I got out of the car. I wasn't getting out to fight, alright? I was getting out to get out. And then I was like, are you okay? Do you have a problem? And then she just like quickly reversed her car and went off. And
Whoa! 6 to 5. I'm 6 and she's 5.
I won. What up? Look at that score. Look at that score. Look at that score. 7, 6 to me. Do you accept the defeat? Do you accept the defeat? Maela Oshi. Wala ka kala. Maela Oshi. What a sore loser. What a sore loser. Hi. Well, simple, Valeria. Hi. Kalau faz o gol. Kalau faz o gol. So I'm making Siaosi a smoothie. So I got some strawberries in there. We got some blueberries, some Gippsland blueberry twist yogurt. Also got a Waze bar because I was going to waste. I squirted some honey in there. And I'm about to put some oats in there. Last thing is almond milk. I've been drinking almond milk lately because I did hear that cow's milk is not very good for you. Well, I've been eating a lot of things that aren't good for me, but I'm trying, yo, one step at a time. Just to give it that little bit of... My smoothie tastes so nice! Well, Aussie smoothie. I want to show you guys my orchid I got from work. How pretty! Hey! Hey! Come on, Papa! Look who I got here with me! Are you dancing, Molly?
What's up, guys? It's Grandma.
Hello everyone, we're here in some shop. It's Saturday. We're going to do some shop here.
Hey everyone, you think I'm Molly, do your intro. Hey everyone, you go man.
Hey everyone, do you want to see Mickey cry?
Time, buddy. 10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes. We'll be back in 10, yeah? Mengai mano ingai Costco. E mai a free sample ka maong alai. A feeling go kupe maling go me ayo. Yo mai ia Costco ai fuai. Oh, what do you have there? Oh, beetroot. Yummy. Try it first. No? Okay, I'll try it.
I like that one.
Mmm, yummy. They're already selling Christmas decos. It's almost Christmas time.
That's pretty good.
It's almost Aussie's 1 year here in Australia. Isn't it?
Nah.
You're an Aussie boy. I got a surprise. I got a surprise for you. You got a surprise for your 1 year?
What's that?
I'm gonna surprise you.
You better surprise me for a few things.
Yeah? Say it again.
You better surprise me with good things.
With a what?
Good thing.
Good things.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's a good thing. Oh, can I try some? Look at that sizzling, yummy chicken.
It's not ready yet, ma'am. Another 15 minutes, it's raw.
Aww. Sorry, Asma. No one's ready. Ready. I forgot to film that, but we tried some apple juice and some pomegranate juice. And he ended up selling it to us. The only reason is because it's got apple cider vinegar in it. What's that? What's that, Aussie? Oh, yummy! I tried that last time I was here. Oh my god, I love cinnamon! Okay.
Very nice camera, by the way.
Oh, thank you. Ooh, mela pot. Aussie. Oh my gosh, it's actually got ice in it.
Yes. Gotta do it properly.
Mela pot. Oh my gosh, yes. This is dinner, right?
No.
Thank you for having dinner with us.
Huh?
This is so nice.
No.
It's my baby! This is luxury, guys. This is luxury. Just kidding, it's not really our car. It's my sister's friend's car. We keep it 100, gang, gang! She doesn't know English, she means 100. For all of yous out there, you gotta start somewhere. And I'm gonna tell you that people, there are gonna be haters out there. And if you want something so bad, and if you have a dream, you need to go for it 100%. You gotta say, I'm all in. I wanna encourage you. I wanna give you a word of wisdom. I wanna say that whatever it is that you're dreaming, you need to go for it. Don't let nobody tell you that you can't do it. Don't let the no-sayers, don't let the haters, don't let nobody bring you down. You'll be surprised because it'll even be the people that are closest to you. People that say that they're for you, but they're not for you. People that say that they are there for you, but they're the ones that are backstabbing you. You must know who you are. That is the essence. That is the importance of knowing who you are. If you don't know who you are, I tell you, the wind will come because the wind blows. Seasons come, seasons go. And if you're not stern and if you're not rooted and you're not planted on the rock, then, my friend, as the word of God says, you will stumble. The house will fall if you don't know who you are. So my first word of wisdom and encouragement in life, get to know who you are.
Yeah, all of them on the BMW.
Are those your dad's moves? Or are those your mum's moves? So for you, this is saying I did it. What for mad? Wait. He's so cute. Thank you for coming along with us these past couple of days. We just want to end with comment of the day because we haven't been doing that lately.
Thank you guys for commenting and liking our videos. Thank you so much, guys. We appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. But we can pick the comment of the day for you guys. Someone, it's very, very funny and it's all funny, but someone is cracking me up.
I'm gonna pick Robert IE. Every man that's married is still a dad. Vicky. Don't call me Vicky. Victoria. Sekirua video. I'm in love with you guys. You guys show a great example of good and bad relationship.
I'm in love with the shape Buffy.
As long as we are all happy. Tole, Siaosi, seki ma lieka koe vanga. You the man.
I'm the man, bruh. I'm the man.
The sis Victoria, keep it coming, sis. Ngai sweet mea uma. Lofas from
Yeah.
Aotearoa o Tara,
Very
place of the
sweet.
Pacific. So thank you so much, Rob. We're gonna end our vlog off tonight, and I made kale. You wanna see? You wanna see? Go take them.
Yeah, you go check it.
You go take them.
I'm watching, guys. Look, this game I'm watching. Because I love rugby. That's why I'm watching. It makes me feel parchy. And with me cracking.
Cracking.
Cracking on the fretting.
Is your brain cracking?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you guys what I made. Yummy, yummy chicken dummy.
Yummy, yummy for my tummy. Yummy, yummy for my tummy.
Phải số xí vào là bé mỗi ít đâu có là chỉ vào là bé mỗi.
Yummy for my tummy. Yummy, yummy for my tummy.
Bye guys, we love you.
I love
and
you
stay
so much.
tuned.
We
Sorry
love
we
you so
haven't
much.
been uploading on our scheduled days, but we'll get back to it. We're gonna be uploading more. You're gonna be seeing more challenges. You're gonna be seeing more pranks. You're gonna be seeing more vlogs.
And you got more challenge.
I already said that. Gang, gang.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like this, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it,